welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time and say welcome back to all of my subscribers. Today I'm participating in the blue and white Chinoiserie Vignette Open Collab, hosted by my girl Marlene over at Marlene's How To's and her co-host Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Penny's Lifestyle Living, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to all of their channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So in today's short video, I'm styling this vignette on my outdoor bar. I have these lanterns on the bar all the time, and then I've come in with a yellow woven placemat that I got from Home Goods at the beginning of the season. Next, I'm coming in with two of my chinoiserie vases, and I turned one, the smaller one, upside down and placed the larger one on top to give my arrangement some height. Next, I've come in with two of the pieces from my chinoiserie dinnerware set and some white pumpkins as a nod to fall. And there we have it, a beautiful blue and white chinoiserie vignette. I hope you like it. Please let me know what you think in those comments. Make sure you stop by and visit our host channels and show them some love. And please let them know that Amethyst sent you. I want to thank you so much for watching today, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. And until next time.